How to save a shop on Etsy. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save any shop you want on Etsy. So first thing, let's choose a shop, for example this product here. Now click on the product, go down and go to the shop. Now let's say that you want, for example, to save this shop right here. All what you have to do is simple. Go here on the top, click on favorite shop. Now the shop is successfully saved to my profile. As you can see, I will find it just right here, as you can see here. And yeah, as you can see, favorite shops. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.